Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Wynn and welcome back to another video. Today I'm super excited because we are unboxing the brand new Apple Vision Pro. I just picked this up from the Apple Store moments ago, as well as some accessories for it too. So we will be checking out everything inside the box, as well as doing a live demo and putting on the headset for the very first time. When I went to the Apple Store, they actually offered to do a whole demo and unboxing there in the store so I could get used to it, but I said no, I just want to take it home as is. We'll do the unboxing and be putting the headset on for the very first time right here in the studio. This is a 1 terabyte version, by the way. They offered 256, but when we pre-ordered, we saw there was also a 512 gig and a terabyte version as well, and they weren't much more expensive than the 256. So it kind of made the larger storage options seem like a no-brainer, especially when you are spending so much money on this already. This is a first generation product, so it can be a little nerve-wracking when you're buying something that no one has ever tried before. But when I saw these demonstrations of it, it just looks so incredible that I thought, you know, I think that's for me and I'm willing to invest and try it out. So we'll be doing that here today. So here we go. Without further ado, we have this gargantuan box of a product. It says Vision Pro on the side. And of course, in true Apple fashion, we have a couple pull tabs. So let's get this thing open. There's one. Ooh. Okay. Man, I'm so nervous. I saw a couple headsets in the store. I wanted to try them on so badly, but I really wanted to save the first impressions for right now. Oh, dude, it smells so good. It smells like you just opened a brand new box of like sneakers or something. It's got that like new car smell, you know? So here's the headset, first and foremost, right outside of the box. Let's set that to the side. We can talk about more about that in just a moment. Underneath this insert, we have some of the packaging, the polishing cloth. We also have an alternate band that we'll talk about here. We have the dual loop band. Oh, nice. This is like a really good like starter guide. Impressive. We have a polishing cloth that is specifically for the Vision Pro. And I believe this cloth actually says Vision Pro on it. It does. We have a light seal cushion. This comes with one already on the headset as well as a second cushion. And this is obviously to block out the light and it fits, you know, to your face. When I pre-ordered it, I actually had my iPhone out at 5 a.m. when pre-orders went live, and I scanned my whole face and it kind of took some like augmented measurements, and then it actually recommended some sizing of the headset, the light shields and everything for my face. So, you know, in a way you could almost believe that this is kind of like personalized to the shape of my face. Here is the dual loop band. And this is probably the band that we'll be trying. Some people have said that the headset is a little bit heavy, but this band actually goes around the back and the top of your head to help kind of bear some of that weight, since this is such a front heavy headset. And last but not least, we actually get a fairly small block. I believe this is a 30-watt block. We get a braided USB-C cord, and then we have this battery. Now, wait, yo, first impressions after watching so much content on YouTube, this battery feels and looks a lot smaller than I thought. This looked way bigger than it really is. All right, now let's talk about the main attraction. This is the headset, and it really doesn't actually feel that heavy, man. I was really hoping that everyone's saying, oh, this headset's so heavy. It doesn't feel that bad, but then again, wearing it on your face for like 2 hours, that's a different story. So we have this kind of cover to protect the front, which is all glass. So let's take this off for the first time. There we go. That is the front of the Vision Pro. And we have additional packaging on the inside as well. A couple pull tabs here on the side, and this insert should come out. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Apple Vision Pro. Now, it comes with the Solo knit band, which a lot of people have been wearing. Oh, that's interesting. It looks like it popped right off. It probably shouldn't do that. There we go. I don't think it was popped in correctly. So the Solo knit band is the one that most people have worn in their demos, as well as, you know, the marketing and the trailers for the device. However, I kind of want to try out this dual loop band for the reasons I mentioned before, just for kind of distributing more of the weight over the top of your head. On the side, we also have, this is the audio, so it kind of just projects it right down into your ears. And we have that first light shield already installed. Now this does come out with a pretty simple, just like magnetic, just kind of snaps into place, but it's not that strong. So you don't want to be grabbing it because if, you know, you could pop out and actually drop the headset, which you do not want to do. Let's talk about accessories before we put it on. I'm dying to try this, but we just got a little bit more to go. Next up, we have the Belkin battery holder for Apple Vision Pro. I saw it on the site. It was not that expensive. I think it was like $49.99, and pops the battery on. You know, you could either wear it in your pocket or you could also just clip it to this because you're going to have to take the battery around with you if you want to use the Apple Vision Pro, you know, outside or whatnot. We also have, and I think this thing's really cool. Not sure if it was worth $200, but we have the Vision Pro case. This looks like it was designed by NASA. This is like something you'd see on a space shuttle. So we can kind of hold it like that. It has a handle. And on the inside, I will admit, it's very soft and it's very cushioned. This is a really unique design. I think this kind of like airbag compresses slowly. So should you drop it, it kind of fills up like a balloon, but I think that would really, really cushion a fall and obviously protect your headset on the inside, which is quite the investment. So it has a spot for your battery. The headset will go around here, and then it has this cool little bag in the middle that you could store like the charging block as well as the cords and everything for the headset itself. So this is a proprietary connector that only Apple makes, you know, which is very common of Apple to do. It goes into the side here and it will lock into place. And then clicks down. There it is. You see a light start to pulse here. That lets us know that it's on, and here we go. The moment of truth. For the very first time, I am putting one of these on my head. I hope it was worth it. Okay, so obviously I can't see anything. Now what I'm gonna do here, it's a little bit loose. I'm going to tighten this band, nice and snug. Okay, this really is not that bad, man. It's not that heavy. Oh, here we go, okay. So in a moment, I will mirror this and be able to record it so that you guys can see what I see. But until I get through the setup process, I'm not going to be able to share this startup experience. So I'll try to do my best to explain it to you guys. So right now, all black. All I see is kind of a headset like outline. She said triple click the digital crown for voiceover. So I can hold and align the eyepieces depending on how wide or narrow my eyes are set. Okay, good. Green check mark. All right. Now we've just got it. Oh my God. This is insane, dude. I just see my studio. Holy crap. It just did a giant hello, like in the middle of my studio, bro. This is wild. What the heck? I literally feel like I'm just in my studio. So this is not there's nothing transparent about this at all. I can't see through it. What's happening is there's cameras on the outside, screens on the inside. So the cameras are recording everything, and in like literal real time, it's displaying it to the eyepieces. Wow. All right, here we are. We're in it for the very first time. We can pinch and see all of our different apps. I really want to try. Very first thing, they kept showing these environments. So let's see. We've got like Hawaii, Joshua Tree. A couple of them are coming soon. Mount Hood, Yosemite. Ooh, the moon. All right, let's try a few of these. Mount Hood. Whoa. So we've still got a little bit of like, you can kind of see on the sides of my studio. But if we turn this dial on the top, we can go fully like 100%. Wow, this is actually insane. Dude, I can see my hand. Oh man, that's crazy. Wait. Is that also the moon? No, I'm just kidding. I'm pretty sure that's Earth. It's so, like, I looked up and I'm like, oh, that's the moon. And then I realized, oh, wait, I'm on the moon. So we look up at this arrow and we can go back to we can bring our apps up. So we can, if I click this, we can like realign our apps right here. There we go. So I can just sit back and we can relax here, like literally on the moon. Let's open the apps. Let's open a note. Let's mess around with some typing. So let's look there and it brings up a virtual keyboard. So I can type in a multitude of ways. We can go H-E-L-L-O. It's pretty fast. Oh, I accidentally did another O. I'm kind of curious to see how fast we can type. It's not that 100% accurate. Let's see. It's so weird because it's wherever I look. Like my brain wants to type without looking at the letters. W-H-A-T backspace T S space U-P space C-H-A-T. There we go. Like you can be going, you know, double fingers here. Also, real quick, one other thing I want to try out. Let's see if we can tone back the moon. Because I want to be able to see the desk. I did pick up a couple accessories too. And we'll be doing a demonstration with the Mac. And I'll get to this. This is the biggest part of what we're about to see. Let's see. Let's keep typing. Let's X this out. Let's just see if we can... No, wait. This is sick. It pops up right there. What? What's up, chat? We are trying to type with this magic keyboard. This is so cool. That is the freaking coolest thing. I haven't seen this at all in even any of the other tech demos that I've watched. I've watched almost every single video that's on the Apple Vision Pro. Nobody showed this. That's so cool. So instead of having to like look up there and down here, we can also just make this note, like we can shrink it. We can bring it kind of close. We can even have it like right here, like a little, you know, like a keyboard monitor. This is just like typing on a real computer. There you go. They're easy as that. That is insane. And then we can take this. We could be like, you know, I want that back there, and we can make it bigger. Oh my god, dude! It's just like all right there. Are you kidding me? This is crazy. Last thing, we got to try out the encounter dinosaurs. Okay. Oh, here we go. I've seen this. This is cool. Oh, yo. That's so cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Look how it's like 3D. I can move and you can see more of the surrounding area. Oh, look at that. Hey there, little buddy. Hey, big guy. Oh, I was gonna say, where's your mama? No. Oh. Oh. Oh, did he go hide in the rock? Oh, yo. Oh, hell no. Oh. Okay, this is actually mildly terrifying. Okay. Okay. My body is doing that thing where it's like, run. All right, we're back. We're creating our persona. I'm really excited to see these results. It's gonna be super goofy. So this is for when you want to FaceTime or have your own avatar, but obviously you can't capture your face when the thing is on your face. So let's see how it looks. Oh dear God, bro, what is that? All right, I might have to remake my persona when I don't have the like the lines on my head, because clearly wearing the thing for a while, it's put some marks on. Actually, wow. I'm not gonna lie, it looked weird at first, but now I'm like, that's really good. That's like scary good. That's so crazy. And the cameras on the bottom can see my mouth. Like, I actually don't hate it. Okay. I have your reaction. Yo, hi. It's not that weird, right? It's really not that bad. All right, so 100% without a doubt, one of the biggest things that made me say, yeah, I gotta buy the Vision Pro was its functionality with a Mac. So check this out. We can have a full workspace, take this small laptop and blow it up to a massive display within the Vision Pro headset. So if we go ahead and open this Mac, I can look up in the sky. We can open Control Center and do a Mac connection, Windows MacBook Pro. Now in a second, our Mac will go black and you'll see, boom, all of a sudden HD display. We can also use the Magic Trackpad, the Magic Keyboard. We can open a tab here. We could even go to youtube.com. We could check out Tim Cook talks new Apple Vision Pro. Now, what's funny enough is that the sound is actually coming out of the Mac. So I'm sure there's a way for us to get it to go through the Vision Pro headset, but you guys can probably already see the Vision, no pun intended. We can put it, I feel like I'm working in front of a 35, 40 inch computer screen. And that's not even the craziest part. We can also open another window if we wanted. We could, let's go to our apps. We could probably open like music. Now we've got that. We can open this, move to the side. This is without a doubt one of the main things I wanted to try out. And imagine like video editing, and then you've got like maybe your group chat here with your buddies, and maybe you're watching like a basketball game on the side. But this right here, I think it's expensive. Don't get me wrong. A Mac and a Vision Pro is going to set you back a pretty significant amount of money. But if you already had a Mac, then maybe the Vision Pro doesn't seem like such a crazy investment to make, knowing that boom, you can get this. And if you had any privacy concerns, no one can even see what you're working on because look at that. Your Mac is blacked out. I think that's going to do it for a very successful first part of trying out the Apple Vision Pro. Now make sure you guys do like and subscribe because we will have a follow-up video that is testing out games. Not only games for the Vision Pro, we also have iPad and iPhone games that are compatible that can run inside of the Vision Pro, and anything else we can try to figure out to do with it as well. Maybe games that aren't compatible, but you could probably mirror it to your Mac, put the Mac on the big screen, and then boom, you can play that way as well. There really feels like there's no limits when it comes to trying to figure out ways to work with the Vision Pro. So we will try that out in the next video, playing some games. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss that one. And thank you for watching this pretty lengthy unboxing, but this is an incredible piece of technology. We have hardly scratched the surface, so I'm very excited to really dig in and see what else we can do with it. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.